IGERIA ria ngwataniro ya Azimio la UMOJA GUCOKANIRIRIA IRORE MIRIONI 10 niguo kuhagura mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni kiroto gitangikinyanira. O ni kuringana na munini wa mutongoria wa bururi RIGATHI Gachagua urio nyururitie ngwataniro ya Azimio akimoria gwitikira maumirira ma githurano kia mwaka muhituku.
Matters elections are not decided by signatures. They are decided on the ballot. A specific date was set for that purpose, 9th of August 2022, and people signed, and that was the end of signatures until after 5 years. What they should be doing is preparing themselves for the next contest.
Sasa, yani Uhuru alikuwa na shida gani? Na ni rais ambaye amestaafu. Yeye kutambua kwamba anapeana mamlaka kwa yule alishinda. Si hiyo sasa ni jawabu kubwa kwa watu wa Azimio kwamba msipoteze wakati kwa sababu mkubwa wenu alitambua kwamba mshindi ni William Samoei Ruto. Na akapeana. Sasa hii ingine yote ni sarakasi.
AKIARIA hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ria umwe wa arumiriri a ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza WADIINI ya KIRIMUKUYU mwena wa MATHIRA, Gachagua augite a Kenya ni makinyanirie itua kiwatho gucagura Ruto ta mutongoria wa bururi na itua riri ritingicenjia.
There is no constitutional provision for anybody to collect signatures against a sitting president. They are just wasting their time. And we want to urge our president to stay focused, to continue doing the right thing, to continue on the journey for economic prosperity and the empowerment of our people. Siyo mumesikia sasa.
Gachagua oho akimenereria uthukagia wa indo uria uracungiriirio ni mirurungano ya ngwataniro ya Azimio muthenya wa ira.
As a country very disturbed by the events of yesterday, the deaths that came out of the ill-planned demonstrations by Azimio, destruction of property, and interference with business.
Matongoretio ni speaker wa bunge ya Nyeri James Gishuhi gikundi kia atongoria aria megwikinyiti igongona-ini riri ni moretie thirikari ndikahe kanya mwena wa mung'ethaniro guthukangia biacara cia a Kenya hindi ya mirurungano yao.
Ndake tutige gwitikiria andu acio ringi ati mathiage o muthenya ati riu ningi Wednesday ni makahinga biacara cia andu. Kuri undu munene ungihaneka mundu ucio angirwo ndaguka guthukia biacara Nairobi.
Akiaria ciĩgiĩ bara ya njohi, Gachagua ni arutite mukana kuri macibũ guothe bururi-ini akiuga aria mekugonderera bara-ini ya kuhurana na unyui na urugi wa njohi matire na munyaka kuona matikuhonoka gufutwo wira.
To maundu ni mega njohi na njuge nie ndire na uru na mundu. Nie ndire na uru na mundu. No kuri ndu itangitikira. Ciana citu kwaza cia Gikuyu ithire ndiroreire twina president.
Akioneka kumurika macibũ kuma itura riri, Gachagua ni oritie muingi guthii na mbere kurutithania wira na thirikari niguo kweheria wira-ini aria makoretwo makiunira ritho mihang'o ya thirikari kuhurana na njohi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Gĩcigũ-INI wa Wadurwa.